Kemba Walker, coming off that 60-point performance that was spoiled by Jimmy Butler at the buzzer. You know he's mad about that. He came out tonight, he scored 43 points against the Boston Celtics. And Gordon Hayward came off the bench in this one. He only had 4 points. Here's Kemba, a deep splash. They can't stop him here early on. Kyrie had 27 for the Celtics. It's interesting because at the end of the playoffs last season, the Celtics looked great, but this season they're off to a slow start. They're not quite there. They don't have that same fight in them that they had last season when they were injured and everything was against them and their backs were against the wall. And what a move from Kemba in transition. He's faking out defenders even without the ball. Splash! In the clutch, the Hornets are only up by 2. Another deep three for Kemba. With a hand in his face, he doesn't care. Kyrie in the clutch working on Tony Parker. Look at those moves. He gets to the basket for the layup. Now Kemba's going to defer to Tony Parker. He is gassed. He needs to get a breather. And Tony's going to knock it down in the clutch from mid-range. Back the other way. Kemba's not going to play any defense. You see he's tired. He just sags off. He's not even going to try to get out there to contest that shot. It drops Jason Tatum. It's only a 3-point game. Kemba going to come right back, though. A big three fading to the left. And the Hornets are going to take down the Boston Celtics at home. I've got to let them talk a little bit more. We're going to fire, obviously, but we want them to make a threat, and then I'm going to let it fly. You know the rules.
Now, friend, I ain't asking for much. Please, I am kind of desperate.